Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk content creator evolution, 7 creative skills for digital influence. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Content creators are pivotal in shaping digital landscapes, engaging audiences, and driving brand awareness. To excel in the evolving digital realm and make a significant impact, content creators must possess specific creative skills. Here are 7 essential skills crucial for digital influence. 1. Storytelling. Skill 1. Storytelling. Masterful storytelling skills enable content creators to craft compelling narratives that resonate with audiences, evoke emotions, and drive engagement. 2. Visual design. Skill 2. Visual design. Proficiency in visual design allows content creators to create visually appealing graphics, videos, and imagery that enhance content quality and captivate viewers. 3. Writing. Skill 3. Writing. Strong writing skills are essential for content creators to convey messages clearly, craft persuasive copy, and maintain consistency in tone and style across platforms. 4. Content strategy. Skill 4. Content strategy. Strategic thinking and planning skills enable content creators to develop effective content strategies aligned with audience preferences, trends, and business objectives. 5. SEO optimization. Skill 5. SEO optimization. Understanding of search engine optimization, SEO, principles empowers content creators to optimize content for visibility, reach, and discoverability on digital platforms. 6. Audience engagement. Skill 6. Audience engagement. Engagement skills enable content creators to foster meaningful interactions with their audience, respond to feedback, and build a loyal and engaged community. 7. Adaptability. Skill 7. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing trends, platforms, and audience preferences is crucial for content creators to stay relevant and maintain digital influence in dynamic environments. Conclusion: by honing these 7 creative skills, content creators can evolve their digital presence, captivate audiences, and drive impactful engagement in the competitive digital landscape. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.